guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys my recipe for roasted chicken with potatoes. But before we get into this video, please like, subscribe and hit the post notification button so you know every time I post a new video. So in this recipe, I'm going to be using chicken thighs and chicken drumsticks, but you can go ahead and use any other chicken parts you like. I also scored the chicken so that the seasonings and the spices that I'm going to be using can penetrate properly into the meat. This tasted amazing, you guys. The chicken was juicy, it was succulent, it had so much flavor in it. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe down below and make sure to hit your post notification button so you know every time I post a new video, and leave me a comment down below. Until next time, good appetit.